MzGee's. Me pacho ujina so enko baby amayen. Ye ne one ebe discussion with Jibre na o comment o di aba. Ye be Jibre ni akan ni na ma. Me ne director Ben Bruce as always. Me ne ebe discussion. Na ye who sa fiti say UTV in some course during United Show Business and our showbiz in some day. Na say 50 week no mu nyina no a na obia discuss kwame plus ye interview UTV for so members nyina no omu gina so den a workers wo ho nyina omu erutima Miss V because omu ti asese obi ebe atake eyo omu host na ejuma de sa na wo say ejuma bi wo ho a obi kokan asem ana bibi ba ya na obi a atwe no. But it seems a way the Obia supporting MzGee's omo ejina ne chidenden ya no motai ne chidenden in some be na efia kokua vem lady and your waba bontin aba be can those days or 2010 for time she was attacked na say ya bonnet tell it seven the toma enya sem keto Obia nka ho hwem eno achi so no omo ntina se kopem say MzGee's bibi enye no ansana omo akasa debi sabria ne woso omo kasa asana many Ben Bruce and director Ben Bruce ebetwetwe nkomo no ye be kwa kohwe video no aba efia pokua vem lady we hiti dendende ya o fire microphone ye nkwohwe video no embra.
This is how politics has fooled us. Their politics are here, no politics are fooling. A chichim yadene man nipa life is no longer important to us. Simon Kosuma, we are both be a more Kosuma party for to spend it in your interest. Say UTV as an NBC best spend it. Na any day. Me see a boom me 2009. Me kaipa NBC spend it in their interest. But nipa na kasa ya boom no. Obi anyone me ho. That was 29. 2010. Me I boom no. Obi anyone me ho. They were interested in doing politics with it. Yeah, boy, a person, journalists for Konya accident, and President Mahama Tamukai, President Mahama cried, Papa Nekumasu. Or making sure a compensation, true compensation, more munina, equalization here, Nipa life in here, Nipa health in here. Mama Yanni to say 2015, then 2015, there, me something, but something lad ayenini, or be involved. And in my experience, this is my bloody experience. This is me, my experience. The attacks I have suffered. I don't care about your equalization. You have a problem. If you have a problem with your equalization, well, I'll bunch it. I'm talking about me, my experience under the hands of NDC and MPP. Make them answer. That's your problem. That's your problem. Maybe two parties now attacking me. Na issues are bunny more party for me to one more year. Me say IGP a year first attorney general should make sure that same way any foolish case. NHI the more foolish case. And young Katan ye near ding. Me lawyer something. Any other case we fast civil line. Civil line no come frustrated. Yeah. Case will not die. This case, it will not die. Now what we are boo bia so who UTV. I'll bet now my case where I die no. One case I was watching. It's time I was here dear 90 for me. I catch this your MPP. When you said this will not go on anymore. My journalist yankare. My journalist will be yankare. Na matiesi guess so no. I get the Ghana for no more. Ya bo journalist when na mo eh. Mo nyina mo see here because mo party na kobo journalist ntia here. You supported it. Journalists near fam swale. You come meswale. You would okuno. So we don't care. Boy, and sane mama bedidi, sane yire bedidi, sane busha for bedidi. We don't care. We don't care. Party me no need buy a political and MPP for anya. Where's the MDC for anya? And none that you're interested in. Na party for uncola. Mona muye future leaders. More sending message equalization. MzGee's no station or bad time. More no. A plus or two or bema time. More nyene kola no ho. More nyene brain na no ya papa wu. More nyene ho. More nyene ho. More jene mo party equalization. The kobu Caleb Kuda City FM. This is how politics has fooled us. Their politics are here, no politics are fully in. A chichim yadene manipa life is no longer important to us. Timoko suma we yabu bi amoko suma mo party for to spend it in your interest. Say UTV asema be NDC be spend it na ye ne de. Me say yabu me 2009 me kai pa NDC spend it in their interest. But nipa na kasa yabu me no obi anwene me ho. That was 29. 2010 me I yabu me no obi anwene me ho. They were interested in doing politics with it. Yabu a person journalist for konya accident kwa under President Mahama time okay. President Mahama cried the papa na kuma so. O making sure say compensation, true compensation amo mu nyina equalization here. Nipa life in here, nipa health in here. Mama nyani to say 2015 there 2015 there me say me something busa something lad ayenini. Obi involved. In my experience, this is my bloody experience. This is me, my experience. The attacks I have suffered. I don't care about your equalization. You have a problem. If you have a problem with your equalization, well, I'll bunch it. I'm talking about me, my experience under the hands of NDC and MPP. Make them ask them. That's your problem. That's your problem. Maybe two parties now attacking me. Na issues are bunny more party for me to one more year. Me say IGP first Attorney General should make sure that same way the foolish case. NHI the more foolish case. And young Katan ye ding. Me lawyer something. Any other case we fast civil line. Civil line no come frustrated. Yeah. Case will not die. This case, it will not die. Now what we are boo bia so who UTV. I'll bet now my case where I die no. One case I was watching. It's time I was here dear 9 for me. I catch NDC or MPP. When you said this will not go on anymore. Mampu journalists yankare. Mampu journalists will be yankare. Na matiesi guess so no. Guess they Ghana for no more. Ya bo journalists when na mo eh. Mo nyina mo see here because mo party na kobo journalists ntia here. You supported it. Journalists near fam swale. You kuma me swale. You wudi okuno. So we don't care. Boy, and sane mama be didi. Sane yire be didi. Sane busuafo be didi. We don't care. We don't care. Party me enu ne ba politics and MPP for anya. We say MDC for anya. And no na ye interested in. Na party for nkola. Mo na mo ye future leaders. Mo send message equalization. MzGee's no station. Or bad time. Mo nyene no ho. A plus or two or bema time. Mo nyene kola no ho. Mo nyene brain na no ya na papa wu. Mo nyene ho. Mo nyene ho. Mo jene mo party equalization. The kobu Caleb Kuda ewo City FM. Please. Yan chan mo fa tuo mesi MzGee's so. E mo ni tuo mko na asa na yakasa. Any message equalization. I'm very passionate about this. So I've never spoken like this, but I will do it. Say 2020, no, and you ever fear actually the go yes one. But see, I only chance when I come back na year, man. Do you know how painful that is? Because interview President Kufuor, war President Kufuor bodyguard lie. So Bugeli. I'm a boy, make my penny to my microphone. 2009, we are calling now your coins. I make forward them. Make us a million of them about who are multimedia. You say, I branch any paralyzed. Your friend Emmanuel Ante. I branch any boo. I'm a Duma Krawajai. Because MPP tax here be echo bono.
Sure, no. And the podcast discussion become.
What would you tell me content? Just say entertainment program. My anchor politics. Now, I'm going to topic entertainment, topic entertainment.
With Father Dixon and the producers, you are all there. A plus reading, you know. He has a right to express the opinion. And when he doesn't have the right to destroy the paper.
And you MzGee's de letter ma A plus.
No, not a pension.
Oh, no, de na dia buy. And social media, mo de letter mo de bread despite me.
MzGee's also one issues. Apart from say, the thing, you know, also na kumanye, also bien and no, oh, can't there any day.
MzGee's de ano eme obo. A juma kakra ba you buy say wo be ye. And somewhere pa ya real akukoduro obi kwa kadwan ko ntimi nye.
Onyai. Kosonaye.
Say na simesi koye eno abetena ho eno onya ade enti sese mo pese wo ye den.
Baby UTV studio ni sia no. Obi an to me ko simple sa o. Obe pro steps in ketwa mienu, afro steps aketie 3, and sana wako do studio. There is no way of being you on my body be yeti. Yeti haya ni yako this. Yenche mo fa you MzGee's so. Eba mo amasa any message equalization. Mo fa mo nkwasi asem sorry network. I'm very passionate about this. Mo fa mo nkwasi asem sorry network so. I've never spoken like this, but I will do it. Say 2020 no, and ye be here as the go yeswa. Kwasi anta oni chase. Mo na kama bet na ye aduma no. Do you know how painful that is? Me go interview President Kufuor, be war President Kufuor bodyguard lie. So bugeli. I'm a boy, me tete my penny, tete my microphone. 2009, we are calling now your coins. I made for what they make us a million of them about poor multimedia. You say, I branch any paralyzed. Your friend Emmanuel Ante, I branch any boo, and me do my crowajai because MPP tax here be echo bono.
Sure, no, the podcast discussion account.
What would you tell me content? Just say entertainment program, my anchor politics. Now, I'm going to topic entertainment, topic entertainment.
With Father Dixie and the producers, you are all there. A+ reading, you know. He has a right to express the opinion. And when he doesn't have the right to destroy the paper.
And you MzGee's na de letter ni ma A+.
Or not a pension.
Oh no, de na de buy. And social media, mo de letter mo de bread despite me.
MzGee's can also one issues. Apart from say, the tree, you know, also na kuma nye, also bien and no, or can they any day.
MzGee's dey ano me ogo. Ejuma kakra ba you buy say wo be ye. And somewhere pa yak a real akokoduro obi kran ka dwan ko ntimi nye. Onyai. Kosonaye say na asema sikoye eno abetena ho eno onya de enti sese mo pese wo ye den
baby UTV studio ni hye no obi antumi nko simple sa o obe pro steps in ketwa mienu afro steps aketie 3 and sana wako do studio there is no way of being you on my body be yenti yeti haya ni akoko this yenche mo fa you MzGee's so e monitor nko na sana yakasa
video no ena ya kwa akosha banani hu se efia kokua wo kasa bebra Walker instances are atomo a bra or a journalist letter say ya bono any a bra. One of the colleagues being so attacking or paralyzing the say no and yes and get out to a jumano if I baby a day if I baby so a day na ne day basi a boa and I'll be who say near Jumarket to her. Many director ben Bruce were her or also so what entertainment no watch a pay and in some say me bisa so no so when ya experience and when ya ne chefani bia ya border that obia
me have me swift in theater
we are
order not as I know but let me say required more city room city yeah omo election na ADC win no say ya fa we NPP ne win omo say fa to say NDC ne win na ka share editor ne say mpancho me masusa to the me kwa some we are on fa to so e we say somebody adwen na ye say be we fa akabe some ye to wasa
who they say journalists for Omwabre or politicians and some
me charity for the minia preoccupy efia pokua baby am body one of the obi asem oso mi nsem be do multi TV no me see the fun na na my surprise can say yeah oh yeah my body oil big sister on so me when I was at multi TV kudos to baby multimedia you know okay say you know I am mama because I measured in her speech but say yaw any we not here. But before yeah, but before we go on, let me read some aspects of the constitution that may fancy some. So say when we read the constitution, page 162, subsection 4, no 3. I say there shall not be impediments in the establishments of private press or media, and in particular, there shall not be no law requiring any person to obtain a license as prerequisites to the establishment of a operation of a newspaper, journal, or for mass communication or information. Before we can say, 4, was the editors and publishers of newspapers and other institutions of the mass media shall not be subject to control or interference by government and shall not be penalized or harassed for their editorial opinions, views, or the content of their publication. Other thing I can say, they are here since 1992. One of the presidency or the executive now. The next line is the legislature or the parliament, and then you have the judiciary. The next in line should be the media. The media no acting as the watchers of the democracy. They were the first people to say it out. But over the years, Abena, you have told media for me. Since media for me, I stomach medias. Baby, I'm a fukono. Ebimuko am here poster po. It's on poll no am capable baby you directed to. And this thing has been both MPP and NDC media beefy.
Oh, media no more. Any quite some more Obi party.
And yes, I make. And yes, of my Obi talk conscience.
Yes. A party.
Yes. There was an instant I covered you. Break to be a conform power, conform man, me, shame. Say, check, Nipa Langs never be say. Yeah, almost pa. Yeah, editorial way. It was squashed. You did, and you say a man is close a dear by and which other in Yasa. Into the integrity of the media and suspects. Maybe I may say, some integrity and not to make cancer without fear of you. Now, most of our media people know, or a bit more MPP. At all. Because it means that some person be nobody has
any message equalization. I'm very passionate about this. I'm sorry network. I've never spoken like this, but I will do it. So 2020, no, and you ever hear after the good
yes, there are instances, especially journalists, not mere political shows. No, I will be asked by a behu was a PS Kakra. Indicates about you, Mama, who say, Uncle Baby, or me almost. It's your mad the politicians that was a one we can be bought. Okay. Now, Oma obi etowa. Obeti me chinchi musani obe. What did I make say? Say, we secret me wa me wa met me chinchi musani obe. And no na no. Me kasa na esi wo UTV no was that. Ya ko UTV kakra, we say efia ka no. UTV wo awakọ order no. U right transna. U rama o frusoro. And the Grandma Okotna, I see a reception. Now, besides, I want to remain worker. Oh, you now come studio. I've had a privilege of going there, so I know. Oh, fro. Now, what on the other side of the building? Obidu, it's only my own baby. I'm a studios, they need now. Oh, fro could do one myself, cross and what can do the way I want to know exactly where the thing is difficult. Now, me, I can state it on authority. Say it has to be the work of an insider. Because the way I move back straight, I want to make call a hawk, I move directions and all that. You know. So be a Jewa, you wouldn't know. Boy, it's not mobile. I'm on your panelist on UTV programs.
But what they said Kwame Plus during an interview, you listen and say, then a guy says to me, then someone will come say, Nana Kwame a free for the interview. Or say so nobody so done no more your life.
Yeah. So
nobody by your life. And on my nature so by your life. No more life. Obia de the band baby 15 years. Inti so nobody airban. And then we saw Moody Richie. And no more because only saw also your band. That's anybody also in his video. Also when Sikurana yes.
Niente make a wall. Wow. Say what the band ba. Not the band about 15. Almost one echo. You know the number. Additionally, the security at Peace FM or access to Tesano police station. Tesano police police why am I be on my name coin? What did I make I say? The American see and say media no ya bastardize ye but e bin so ye suban. Yeah, say ya fair no. Obehu journalist ni no. Yes, you are unlawful. But if you are it's time the journalists set up the leadership of GJA. I don't know what they are doing. They have all the provisions in the constitution. About let's solve it. No. Let's make sure some people go to jail. Then people will learn. Yeah.
Tusu say I did see UTV as so kind. Obi o hana panelist bi o ho kra se wa o kan ho yele otumi jibibu so de make me am more direction said ya ye wo ho yes ye tumi te se o obi fra brocha ba le yere e na ama no nipa ne direction o ufro suru ho a mo de mo fro steps no first second mo fa left na mo who say e ho u jidi say work ka bi wo ho no because more bebre there is more everywhere. Spies just say.
So I'm gonna make us say it had to be the work of an insider. And I'm even wondering how they quickly went there.
And they
because the American that's on the police station by bow. Hey, three way. Our police force saw move back on man. Within 2 minutes, they'll be there. So how many minutes can they take your man? Thank you, because say security or not say security no any more people. Somebody can just call like just within minutes they'll be there. So what is happening? So they have is it because they are the ruling party until the police can't even operate? Then comes to the question again. Our state securities cannot operate because of the bad constitution that we have.
Our state,
the state securities, the state agencies, they can't operate because of the bad constitution we have. Constitution yeah the Mcbrown that pen books table so paper down and they are sanctions are watching. How do you even read it? Inti near kon yanhwe ni anye bibia one day ni besi no e maka say because or you be back or you be mommy or you be now I'm surprised that before say MzGee's can't do the job.
Sir MzGee's fit is so by a month for attack and then you train yet at the chair so I can say we say we see Buna Koma Beno. Even panels in the crowd they attack the host.
One MzGee's or an entertainment presenter. But what UTV is doing is not entertainment.
That's what.
Make people don't understand.
That's what.
It's a program that they formulated on their own. It doesn't follow the rules of engagement.
How?
You see, there's a way we do entertainment program. First of all, say entertainment program, you need to have what we call an outside view, an audience. There's no audience in the place. Most of entertainment shows now around the world, they have audience in place. Oprah, Harvey, all those big boys, they have audience in place. Some form of entertainment. As an artist, As if say it wasn't planned. What's it? The last one is stick to the point. Say and then you care about copyright issues. Don't branch. Stick to the points we are talking about. But most we say after baby na host to me directed your friend say panel no say dey na branch it to somewhere else who would be say na there na some more. So it makes it difficult to even define say if it's an entertainment show.
So mama you who say show ni entertainment show but trend come trendy into say
trending what?
Trending entertainment.
Thank you. So yeah, I cannot guarantee as you all. Every one man there was one issue be that almost come. Yeah, no na fe yeah deviate here cause no. It means the host is not capable. And I'm surprised MzGee's is acting that way. Unless I catch him say the producer tells us say let them go like that. But and just structured. Yeah, me can say. Show no, yeah, structure the year. So need entertainment show. Compare, expertise to structure the show for them.
Now say show fine, yeah, be or high structure, but there are shows be or high. Me to me be a show. Any
good show is structured, well structured, well managed by a producer and a director, giving direction to where the thing has to go. That's why they have the producer and then the director with the host. They give direction. Panelists now or mechanism. So you make sure that they stick to what the issues on board. Also, bring the panelists back. Yeah, we say we have so much to talk about the industry. We don't do it. And you see, trust me, say all the war season people in the Basa show can be one of the most watched, even international. Share Akobeto, Saturday recall here. People outside watch it. Yeah. Liverpool, coach say one of the best way. It means that UTV has the audience. They have the capacity. Near can say your best structure in the year. Bring people who are knowledgeable on board.
Okay, so
you're not getting.
No, I've got your point.
Let's say copyright issues. Go and bring copyright lawyer. If you need to Ghana, go outside and bring the person. No make sure what is even copyright. What I say? Yeah, I can say arrangement of songs. You're one of the best arrangements of songs. To 2 minutes or so bring him on board. No check even your trouble man. How do we even arrange it? Money educating professional, they don't even appreciate what the act or the craft. Film production, how does it even go? Socrates, and then I count. Meaning, but he doesn't say anything. No, give them topics that are related to them. Socrates, yeah, movie producer. Our movie industry say camera, send it here. What type of camera needs? Those things are what people need. Now, I'm making politics. I don't need it.
I don't need it. Show, no, politics.
It should be purely entertainment show. Entertainment show. And yes, you can sway one or two where the government has to come in. But we are then a personal attack. Now in the personal, people also get personality. So as I said, because the show has had too much controversies, and it's not really helping the show. Show back, why? Wait, sorry, and then say, what should I say? What should I say? Why? Now, said I was busting her. Said she doesn't have the knowledge to host that show. But she said, I mean, you say Abia has to do with the director himself. Abia on night, you have got this way, which I can be. Yes, no. Follow the pattern that it is to go. Wouldn't mean before be no structure map. Simple.
If you have a casa, was it Yantanasi and Ma MzGee's and Yakasa? Who said, dear way will be to me, I am Boniana.
Who say, young man, risky? You cry, your casa were risky. Maybe I risky, young man, they're risky. And sometimes, no, who are on myself will take your own precautions. Near Abanon, I'm MzGee's white targets. My mention didn't tell white target. Of a certain tribe. certain governments there was. Almost feel say only need to a certain government. And I hear bashing government. Obi make a say lady no cracker. The position even as a host is now being questioned. What did I mean? Because almost say on the crowd or your way. You pass a seminar, you try to pass a seminar. Not yet, you're back. Anything that on my way cracker say no. Anything I say no. It's a money panel or to show the swap on you free. But a Juma way say you should have the freedom to think, the freedom to act, the freedom to say things that will make the show interesting. Now, when this have freedom now, how do you do it? It's in your canon. Either MzGee's will give them conditions. Say, Master, let me handle the show myself. From where Ofibaro on him how to do entertainment, let me do it myself. And now say, take your show. Because and Guasen say, come on. People are even saying, she doesn't know the job. Now because MzGee's Unimajuma, now Unimajuma. She's one of the most respected entertainment presenters in Ghana. Won't you be funny to Nana, Mcbrown anywhere, or a mouse ahead? Just say, show no young crafting ye, and I also got to them. But she should prove her way and tell them either you do this or I'm out.
And you will be a how of our court case back of our Sembano Bia action. But from the look of things, who to send a meet FM for Edmund Jim or Mokebi, Peace FM Mokebi, OK FM 4 Kebi, UTV 4. Presenters here, Obia, Adele, see what Honor to say. A how or more air can. You might be a Honor, Okomwa, Unyanasa. So, I know. Obia support. Media, we are. Obia was station, but a yard dear kind everybody because near children, the better to Obia. Maybe I told. Because why you media no watching? Yes, I mean, to me. Because I'm no car, so can't one can see. And I may patch say, not you. We are presenter, we are guests. There are some shows go on my own TV. My example, some may call CTV, no beyond CTV, beyond say NBC station. What would do, baby? I'm see if I went to come and me, I won't do it. I got up and I walked out. You need to have your work. You need to know, you need to let people know how much you are worth, your credibility should be at stake. And yes, because we are humanity, Obia can be allowed here. No. And that's what most media people are doing. Or how? Or try article, or be discussed, grab a finance, and don't know what I leave the person to work. If you feel, say, she's the right person to do it, some impediments in the you feel. I say, nature is audience. Just imagine, say, audience will be on and before we real man. They can't have access. They can't. What if we be doing so much of the audience?
No, I never. But you see, the audience needs to do more. It means that you show me, baby. And the time allocation is here too long. Maybe 9 to 10.
Why now? We find a man betting on 9 to 12.
And let me say, what to do? It doesn't even make sense. You see, and then I make us a structure in the hall. Because I only need to program based on time. Then they say, every time it becomes repetition. Until time require a no papa. So that everybody look forward to what the next one. I don't know when go on there. 3 hours. Me who entertainment show be at structures in the hall. I'm planning again. I'm the sure to man on me here. They should go back to the drawing board and maybe 9 to 10, 10 to 11. Because in some of them, adult content be any. It be named why they push it so far. No. That's too much.
So they also can 9 at 10, 11 day.
Yeah, 10. 1 hour. 1 hour show. Hot. Well packed. 1 hour. Obiaka. Yan segment. Now I'm involving. I'm what we call involve sport. I'm quite thing. Now I'm going to take views on some issues. Issues be on my back. Now so we got 4 views so now they back. So people go hey and then say very meal. And everybody used to get people to watch. And then at the end someone and say meaning someone used to say yeah solve issues so then you can't use TV to solve issues. Obini obi problem na from aba say show this. It doesn't make sense.
And that's what most of it.
No, and to me it doesn't make sense. I can solve the problem behind the scene and get my show on. Oh, I mean, I say, yeah, one of the best way I make us a sample of fan, it be a delay so there be a no delay be a number, and now 80 pounds. They could have handled this program very well.
80 pounds.
Tell you. Because our Nini or accent kakra, presentation or kakra, or the finance will bet me handle easy. But the way more yard and all my trade one day, Jameton.
Vim lady Casano, Nelson, say, when they a more money in Chomkra, Beniphobia, Bobo, Beniphobia, attending name, why they should get involved. You think say it's necessary?
It's very necessary. Once the thing has been established, said the party was not even involved, as the party says. At this time now, I was looking forward, say, the network, the media, no, they should go and cover it. And there back also media, and say you could assembly. You really hang you near call. Yeah, call assembly money see. Because we say I'm expecting say me courts issues. Say almost courts, yeah, the boys make courts. So that Obi who say, hey, I didn't say, yeah, no matter what. Yeah, Chua, the law says what? 24 hours. When you see it, it's been 72 hours. It's well, beyond the time. Take them to court. Now you who say, oh, assembly see you know, they don't go court. And yes, I'm more yana, you better and deal with Sidia. Then where are we going as a nation? And where even are we going as what? Media personnel. So we need to make sure say this thing no young kwale kosi baby esekosi. If jail bebe jail should cap so that people see.
In jail. Your mom was say.
Mom 30 years better.
Sam.
Now for say you threat of life no for say is easy. Easy. They need to act.
So they be obi yes. So moon scapegoat.
That's what they should do.
Okay. Who when it's a party be a bar or the Russian because I said before Casabi one thing before Casa party we one I say as an another party in a memunu while we do Ube Casabe there's a yeah bounce.
And yeah good sign and I'm surprised
that
what's it? Oh, I've seen there's some Ghana so I know what's going on. You see maybe the American said it's time for the party as a whole to act. Stephen Intim, the chairman, should act. Kodia should act. They are disappointing people. And the president should act. You see, baby has structured so called. Why not a letter? Signed by who? And the person not trying to now on him say emra no and signed by who? It's nipa no sign na or yeah win or no na see ahwe no you say sign na o sign no o sign say yen hwe we na na say yen kwa ni na yen bechi eno na ye bemu say ye hold nipa no structures or why you can hold people but where there are no structures obi aye your pay. So the government is being given bad name because of things that are happening. They need to set up the Minister of Information, whatever communication. They need to go to a meeting straight away and make sure that these things are not happening. The National Media Commission should be up and doing. Right now, they should get lawyers ready. You see, when you do things and people know things work, they don't fool. But when I see say nothing works, I fool.
Oh, where the uncle baby? Oh, where the other foolish kid?
It's my own who where the uncle baby. President, I was expecting say, ladies and gentlemen, what can I say? Fellow Ghanaians, our baby. Yes, because it's becoming a cycle. Say, what time at media and I say, meanwhile the media brought you to power.
No, say, and 24 bell moves and who so be about your share. No one says you is to meet you.
All the time.
I will say, I bought a Casa sorry, no so Casa sorry.
Sorry, so.
Because and then no stations in now Obiaka politics. Obia eka in somewhere.
Yeah, but and also am nearly pay. Because yeah, politics I should be strictly politics. Oh yeah, agriculture should be strictly agriculture. Don't divert.
As all your politics.
No. Yes, sir. Obi bet me be account. Don't divert. And I make us entertainment near man or me see a car. Massa, yeah, can be that and sana yes or back. There was so many challenges in Ghana. They don't talk about it. They don't talk about it. It's all about and then when you are married, no, that's not what we want. The real challenges are there. Why are Ghanaian movies now being like a trash? Why are Ghanaian artists not going to the big shows, not headlining the big shows? By Nigeria foreign headline, then they will call them. Our marketing strategy, what do we have? As a nation, do we even have a vision for the entertainment industry? We don't. We have Mark Okreku, I did before. No, have they called him?
No.
See, what are they doing? Mark has been with you people a lot. Even the Minister of Information, he knows it. It's all these people are there that we can take them. Someone
If you are from
no, the way you set up the program, you have to be branded. Oh, branding program is a very good part. Oh, for Media, the man will come. But our program is yet to say concert party. Now, only ever solve issues. No, be sorry, look at how they are behaving. No. Brand your program well. And then what the ever says behind the scenes. And also, for beyond this respectable program. No, at one will be sorry now in Papa's or what they do already. So let's say what is really affecting us and stop dilly-dally.
Obi a example or the amensual a example and I threaten no and you do and go see baby a woo near Dinty. I see and you threaten Obia. It was a pink or Johnny police station. Who is a brand and you end that.
There be maybe there he's a journalist. And also no Yami who said so Obi board here you need to take action. First no Obi ka and feel bad Debbie. Obi can be you need to take action, follow up. Now the agencies should know. Say this is what somebody has said. This is the threat that I'm receiving. You need to act on it. Into a maya a being penny to me I make us a body did too much. Near here say your body didn't get solve a problem and I say your body didn't transfer. Say try your body there in Yabo. Now your body they solve a problem here. I find no fault. Yes. Let's solve the problems which are there. Media houses are much young for you. Media house don't charge 500 Ghana. A man.
Media house.
Yeah. And it is so many problems in the industry. Let's tackle it. Poor quality videos. Your cameras and your sound and personnel are they trained? You know, let's not make it as if said Obiet Media. Schools now, pockets of schools, the media schools no. Are they being sanctioned? Are they being sanctioned by GS? These are problems which are there. Challenges won't say Obiko those schools, bad schools. No bad, or bad journalists. I don't know cultural report to hear. Report not no heading, no headline, no intro, nothing. Or starting not wrong. Because you know when young channel. Obia DJ was a simple report, no Oja. So there's a challenge in the industry. We need to solve it. And yet the time for those things. We need to solve it as a people. How do we get all these people? Teachers that have been trained and all that. Schools, people are just shutting it down. You understand? Let's bring sanctity in the media. Now we are also a journalist. People go like, wow. And yes, this is it there. So I'm not also. Now say program here, the show because be catching me. One will continue to see hungry bloggers. Now I'm saying now me I can bet what you hungry saying. It means say I have for. Yeah, my born day. That's all I'm saying. Yeah.
And director Bruce or say yeah my born in schools be bringing journalists and as a media personnel are wanting. I will say a sanction of I will say you good schools need because we will hold one and strong trade. Next Sunday the Waka Constitution will really be actually reading so a church and watching so my say we a journalist ma ye hu baby e wugina enye sanso enye hungry journalist uko jiska fe na opra ne magu capital say esa woman politicians ni hu say ye betumi ato ye to won so de a ene o ka bibi no anka ne etumi baburo because ya to they are what one or children they was away. Aha, too much. That kind of final words.
Oh, the final words and say I had maybe I feel in Tiaja. Journalist Sunday American and Jumano, a day by any of us to say, Timamu for who journalist are. Yanny come once a mamma will be at it. Mobunia, now you who are one of them come once a mamma. Now, journalists who should be the protector of Ghana. Mumaye emu asem no manye ebi manye enko jisika na enko tro bibi boni na entertainment show na UTV no o metimi ai na world class o mu hia mo o seek for help because nipa bi anu adi na wonti entertainment no mo yen time no wadodo enye structure nyama me bria they need to change no mo change ya o mo se sabe ye criticize keke but ye can ye na ye grow together manwesi
Ma, omo be fa wa be.
It depends can more to dia.
Say, ubeyi yama. Aha, too much. Ye ho samo hu. Osisika your blogging kwa de ni ubeyi yama. Aha, too much. We di e dia bna posi. Director Mcbrown and meneno etina ha etwetwe nkomo. Me pa sho ye dase be se wo je bro na o hwe ye etie ye de bia me ka me say akwanya na enya na ye de te ha na ye kasa ti ye ka bibi na anya woda wadaroma na wodi ache dia ofisa anko yi unya yanka obe comment ya na unya yanka wote akra wo kire wadwe wo de wanya bre nya hwe e ya tro comment egu ase ye beje bre ya kan ni na ama ye da se ye besan ehia